Your idol journey ends here today.
Sorry.
Sorry, guys.
Prosper and John, unfortunately, you will not be making the top 20. Yamato, unfortunately, it ends here. Guys, this is really hard.
Very hard.
This is really hard. This decision has to be made. I am so sorry, but both of you, this is where your journey ends. For voice, I'm sorry. You're not going to the next round. And the same for you as well, Evans Moon.
Thank you very much.
Sorry, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Not exactly what we're looking for. So both of you guys will be going up.
Sorry.
Sorry. Thank you, guys. You're both going home. I'm really, really sorry. Thank you very
sir.
much.